Hi, carpet cleaners. It's Roger Lloyd, your YouTube's carpet cleaners consultant, with another tip on how I do things. So right here, I have a 5-gallon pail, and then in the back there, I have a 6-pounder of the Steamaction Extreme Clean Powder. And as you see on top here, I have a nice clear wide mouth funnel. So what I do is I open the pouch here, and I take my, trying to do too many things at one time. I take my 2-ounce scoop here, and I take 4 scoops of this right here, and I put it in this jug right here, this gallon jug. That's where the plastic funnel here comes into use. So I can put it in here. Now after I put my 4 scoops in, I go fill this up, and it's already filled. And that way I turn it up and down, shake it real good, and I make sure it's fully diluted before I start putting it in to my injector sprayers here. A lot of time these injector sprayers get clogged right here in the metal part because the powders aren't diluted enough. So by putting them in a jug first and diluting it and shaking it real good, then pouring it into your hydro forces, you have less chance of this part right here getting clogged. For long last and easier maintenance. So when I use Extreme Clean Powder, which I just can't even explain how good this is. I mean, this is some good stuff. Now, if you switch around here, I have my TLC High Traffic Lane Cleaner, self-explanatory. If they have high traffic lanes, I just add 4 scoops of that. And if they have animals, I have my BioClean Supercharger, which really has a peroxide in it and kills germs and bacteria. And then back here, I have my Steamaction Odor Control. So of course that's for pets or any other organic substances that you might come in hand with. So, and of course I have my Steamaction Tile and Grout Cleaner. I'll make another video on that one day. And then I'll make another video on the stain guard. Alright, thanks for watching. But when you're mixing powders, get you a gallon jug, get you a nice wide mouth funnel, and get you a 5-gallon pail or a case of 6-pounders of this Steamaction's Extreme Clean Powder. You can get them right here at yours truly. Just send me a message, tell me how much you want, and I'll get it right out to you. I can't tell you how great this stuff is. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.